Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So one of the important updates related to Deloitte's that finally they are giving the rejection mail to the candidates who have been rejected. So you can say this is the mail that is the US India Office National Assessment Test Assessment result. So this is the first congratulation mail that those students who are moving forward for the upcoming level, that is for the interview, they are getting this mail. Congratulations, based on your national level assessment score you have reached the interview stage and our current team is currently organizing. Now this is one of the rejection mail that most of the candidates are getting. So if you have been participated in this assessment, must comment here whether you are getting the selection mail or rejection mail. So thank you for participating and thank you for your effort and enthusiasm in the NLA. After careful review of your assessment result, we regret to inform you that you have not cleared the NLA test and we will not moving forward for our selection process. So this is the mail actually most of the candidates are getting, and depending on your test and things they are getting. Okay, so actually these students have solved almost all question and he passed 1.5 questions. So currently I think जिनका 1.7 or 1.8 questions solve कर रहे हैं, means out of, if I'm talking about 20 case, if they are solved 18 and other criteria is also consider. So अगर आपने हर एक सेक्शन में अच्छा किया then only you will be selected. Okay, so many of the candidates are getting the interview calls. So if you have got the interview call, then first of all congratulations, and just one step is forward. So start preparing for the interview, and if you want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill our Google form. And really friends, means just one steps are eligible and you have already basically passed lots of levels. So I will suggest take it seriously, and जहाँ से ले आप एक दो mock interviews must दे, especially if this is your first interview, then you should participate in mock interview because it will boost your confidence, and we will also provide you the real guidance and what are the do's and don'ts that you should consider for the interview. So best of luck to all the candidates who got the interview. Now coming to the rejection mail, if you got the rejection, again saying no need to worry about that. You have to be patient because lots of hiring still yet to announce. Deloitte just पहला था, okay, and इसके बाद upcoming hiring is, I have already provided update related to Cognizant. They gonna hire 25,000 plus candidates. Also TCS and QT will be announced soon, anytime it will be announced. So start preparing for that. Don't wait for 11th hour and don't waste your time in analyzing this Deloitte result or any rejection. You should learn from the rejection, what are the mistakes you did and what are the things you got wrong, and accordingly you have to prepare for the upcoming examination. So those who have basically cleared the interview, means who have cleared the assessment, congratulations and best of luck for further hiring, means further process. And those who have not been selected, no need to worry. Start preparing for the other companies, Accenture, Wipro, Capgemini, and lots of hiring will be announced. So we will provide all update in my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed it, subscribe it and start preparing. And you can also join our WhatsApp or Telegram study group for getting the pre-preparation material, interview preparation material, assessment, NQT related coding questions, HR questions, and the important things I usually provide on my WhatsApp group. So talking a little bit more about the cutoff criteria that I have already talked. So अगर आपका हर एक सेक्शन में अच्छा गया, then only you will be selected, and remaining result you will get soon. Okay, so within this week आपका complete result announce हो जाएगा. So that's the thing I want to tell, and must join our WhatsApp Telegram group if you haven't joined it for getting the latest update. And friends, keep applying for off-campus opportunity too. Don't depend just on campus. Keep applying for other, and I hope that you will get a job in this financial year. थैंक यू. कोई भी क्वेरी हो, फील फ्री टू आस्क हियर. आई विल ट्राई टू रिप्लाई एज सून एज पॉसिबल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.